everyone! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of design. Beyond just making things look pretty, design is about communication, and at the heart of effective design are its core principles. So think of the elements of design: the color, line, shape as the ingredients. The principles of design are the recipe. They tell us how to arrange those ingredients to create something that not only looks good but also effectively conveys a message. First, let's talk about rhythm. So, in design, rhythm is created by repeating visual elements. But it's not just about repetition, it's about variation. Think of it like a musical rhythm. It guides your eye across the page, adding energy and keeping you engaged. Example of rhythm. Think of a bookshelf where you alternate between stacking books vertically and horizontally. This creates a visual rhythm that's more interesting than just stacking everything one way. The repetition of vertical and horizontal stacks with consistent spacing creates a pleasant visual flow. It's more engaging than a monotonous arrangement, adding a touch of personality to your space. So next, we have patterns. So a pattern is simply a repeated decorative motif. Patterns add texture and visual interest, making a design more appealing and dynamic. For example, consider a tiled backsplash in a kitchen. The repeating pattern of the tiles, whether they are simple squares or intricate mosaics, adds visual interest and texture to the space. The consistent repetition of the tile motif creates a strong visual pattern that enhances the kitchen's aesthetic. It's a simple way to add character and style to an otherwise functional area. Now, let's consider something often overlooked: the white space or negative space. This is the empty area around and between design elements. It might seem like nothing, but it's crucial. White space prevents clutter, highlights key content, and gives the viewer's eyes a place to rest. It's like a deep breath in a busy day. For example, imagine a well-organized closet. The empty space between your clothes allows you to easily see and access each item. It prevents the closet from feeling cluttered and overwhelming. So, the strategic use of empty space highlights each item of clothing, making it easier to find what you need. This prevents the closet from feeling chaotic and makes the space more functional and visually appealing. Movement and design refers to the path your eye follows through a composition. Designers use lines, shapes, and element placement to guide you, ensuring you see what they want you to see, in the order they want you to see it. For example, picture a gallery wall with photos arranged in a way that your eye naturally flows from one picture to the next, perhaps guided by the direction people are looking or the lines in the images. So the arrangement of the photos creates a visual path that leads your eye through the display. This creates a sense of movement and encourages you to explore each photo in a deliberate order. Variety is the spice of design. Incorporating diverse elements adds visual interest and prevents monotony. However, the key is balance. Too much variety without a unifying factor can lead to chaos. For example, think of a garden that includes a mix of different flowers, plants, and textures. The variety keeps the garden interesting and prevents it from feeling monotonous. So the combination of diverse elements creates visual interest and prevents the garden from being boring. The variety of colors, shapes, and textures adds depth and complexity to the landscape. And which brings us to unity. Unity is the sense that all parts of a design work together as a cohesive whole. It's achieved through consistent styles, color schemes, and alignment. So when a design has unity, it feels complete and harmonious. For example, consider a living room where all the furniture and decor share a similar color palette and style. The cohesive look creates a sense of harmony and makes the room feel inviting. So the consistent use of color, style, and materials creates a unified space. This ensures that all elements work together to create a cohesive and harmonious environment. In summary, understanding and applying elements like rhythm, pattern, white space, movement, variety, and unity are crucial for effective design. Whether arranging a bookshelf, tiling a backsplash, organizing a closet, creating a gallery wall, designing a garden, or decorating a living room. These principles help create visually appealing and functional spaces. By intentionally incorporating these elements, we can transform ordinary environments into engaging and harmonious experiences.